I think that the greatest promise the next decade is going to bring is the inclusiveness, the ability to participate, and the ability to really innovate, irrespective of the size of your business, irrespective of the location and geography of your business or the industry you prevail in, is fascinating.
The whole convergence of connected cyber systems and connected devices, whether it is in the field of healthcare, whether it is in the field of retail, whether it is in the field of manufacturing, consumption of services, government services, you will see this whole convergence change human life, benefit to human life, increase and accelerate dramatically.
I'm very excited about the increasing empowerment that we see for citizens or users, so to speak. I think in the next decade, moving beyond just access, where it's my content or my experience anytime, anywhere, to really enabling the citizen or the user to be able to work like an SME with very little training.
In the new decade, I really see technology really looking at two things. I think the complete bridge between consumer tech and enterprise tech. I think today the technology is completely spanning across all of them. Learnings from consumer is coming to enterprise, enterprise is coming back to consumer. So that's going to be the significant shift. So I think there won't be like typical silos and windows or blocks of, oh, this is enterprise and this is consumer. I think that world will merge.
You don't know what's coming next. The technology is like that. It is changing so rapidly. We need to be able to learn. We need to stay intellectually curious, because that which you are committed to today may actually sunset and something new will come.
The next decade will be the age of experience, and positive experiences is what customers will buy, and companies and brands that look at delivering these experiences will succeed, and they will have a better customer connect, and customers also will emotionally connect with products.
Well, the age of millennials are coming to an end. The last of millennials are now entering the workforce, and many of the millennials are actually becoming managers and leaders in corporations. We now have Generation Z that is entering the workforce. A very different mindset, a very different skill set. They were born with controllers and adapters in their hands. So we're going to all have to think about how to incorporate them into society and into the work population, and really leverage the technology innovation skills that they're going to bring to the table.
Open banking is here to stay. Our consumers are expecting us to be able to provide banking services to them in an environment where they are fearless in terms of using banking services, where they are protected in terms of their identity, where they see the banks build the trust back which has been lost in the past.
I would say past few decades, somewhere we've lost a huge chunk of our resources which belong to everyone. Few countries did more of depletion, and few communities out there conserved it. That's where I think technology would need to play and will be playing a larger role.
I do see with climate change and with sustainability that there is a trend to start to use technology and design in ways that are going to have a much more positive impact on society and on the world. Reducing waste, reducing the footprint that we have on a daily basis. And the way to be able to do that is people and technology coming together to make that happen.